Hey, how's it going? Welcome back yet again. Today we will be test driving a TLC 4x4.com project, specifically one of our Stage 3 FJ40 restorations. Now, this truck grew up back east, in the Northeast. When it came to us, it had been owned for a long time by our client. And in pictures, it looked like a nice old truck. When it showed up, it was a horror show. And the more we looked into it, we reached out to the client and said, look, honestly, you're going to be better served to throw this truck away. Let's buy you another truck and restore it. And he said, nope, wouldn't hear it. Because he has had a super long killer relationship and tons of memories directly related to this truck. So, well, what can we do? I said, well, you're going to stay living in an oyster shell, basically? And he said, yep. I said, okay, well, yeah, we can restore it, and we should probably change it and be conscious of the environment. So do an Aqualoo aluminum body. The hardtop and hard doors are not available in aluminum. So we took a really nice parts truck, a 79, and utilized its top and doors and a couple key restoration parts to create what you see here. So it took a fair amount of time. Really nice truck though, it came out beautifully. And we left the powertrain dead stock. We rebuilt and internally balanced the engine. We used all new OEM gasket and internal parts. Carburetor was completely rebuilt, as were the manifolds. The exhaust system was crafted in stainless steel to mimic the factory, but hopefully last longer this time. The underside of the aluminum body has been coated in a heat-cured polyurea product, which we do on many of our jobs, and you'll also notice that coating is on the interior floor surfaces as well. Insides of the doors are coated in Dynamat. All weather stripping is OEM factory Toyota. Every single piece of rubber is brand new on the truck. All the hardtop seals, doors, seals, guts, window regulators, latches, catches, you name it. Factory door panels are discontinued. Plus the client wanted to keep a stock look and color, but wanted instead of vinyl leather. So we have this leather crafted that's got that sort of elephant grain texture. And then we hand cut the door panels using laser cut marine board for the sub panel, and then foam and leather wrap those in a stock inspired design. All glass is OEM and new, dash pads new. Now this is a factory US 1983 FJ40, which makes it the rarest of the rarest. It did not from the factory come with power steering and air conditioning, but we have now upgraded it with both. Visually on an 83, only way to really tell them apart from an 82 is the dash. That center black and silver dash panel is unique to the 83s and kind of nifty for us cruiser geeks. When you see one of those, you get all excited. Visors are stock, headliners are stock, floor mats are just simply removable rubber mats. We kept the stock 4-speed tranny. Now this being August of 1980 and newer, that is the much improved design over July and older, because it is the split case transfer case, so stronger, quieter, and perhaps more importantly, it eliminates that stupid drum coming off of the tail of the transfer case in line with the drive shaft. Axles were torn all the way down to the raw housings. Housings were powder coated. The chassis on this truck was completely rotted out and really beyond repair. So we took the chassis from the 79, modified it with the 8 of 80 and up changes, and then restored, epoxy primed, powder coated it as well. Ring and pinion stock to this year, that's 373 gearing. Gas tank boiled, completely overhauled. All the vacuum lines, all the gold erudite and zinc wash components, front to back, all new, all fully restored. Audio system's been upgraded, so we now have Siri, CarPlay, Bluetooth CD situation from our friends at Pioneer. We're running a Focal amplifier and Focal speakers built into enclosures down low by the front kick vents and in the rear of the body tub. The enclosures down by the kick vent are compliant with stock and Aqualoo bodies, and we offer those for sale on the TLC website as well. What else? All the silver stuff is powder coated. The wheels are dead stock and powder coated. New BF Goodrich's upgraded the suspension to the old man Emu. New old stock 8 of 80 stupid rare steering wheel. And altogether, it's just a really nice high detail restoration of the best example of the most evolved FJ40. Any more questions? Website, tlc4x4.com. Good old-fashioned telephone, 818-280-3330. You can follow TLC4x4 on Instagram or Icon4x4 as well. Thanks again. Appreciate your time. Be well.